Hey guys, it is Stephanie live at Festive Creations by Stephanie. Guys, let me show you what we're working with. So I got this. This is actually the top of it because it has hooks on the back of it. I got this at Factory Direct Outlet, I believe. And it comes in just the natural wood. So I stained the front of it stained it. A while back, we did a video where I used the spray foam insulation, and I actually put some foam here and here, knowing that I was going to be designing this for Christmas. So, y'all, we're going to have fun. So again, this is the top of it. So I'm going to turn this around, and as I said, it's got hooks on the back of it. So I'm going to use some of the new frosted berries that we got in on the shipment this week, and I immediately took some out of inventory, let me tell you. Hey Georgie, what's up? And then I also took, I got some pine out of inventory, out of the store. I have some big white snowflakes I may or may not use, but I definitely want to use this red and black, my favorite ribbon with the, it's actually called Snowflake, the red and black with the white snowflakes, but it's more like flecks, not flakes. It's a lot of fun ribbon. So let's zoom in on my project here. And as we were eating BLTs for dinner, I said, I'm not sure where my vision's gonna go with this yet. So I was trying to contemplate if I want to take this and go in and in. I'm just not sure. So you know what? I'm going to play. That's what I'm going to do. My glue pot's all heated up. So this has several different parts to it. So I'm going to dissect it. These frosted berries are gorgeous. All right, so I took two of the frosted berries and I broke them into two pieces. So I separated these into two. And there's my other two. But I am going to take some of this pine, and we're going to start by building a little bit of base on one of our foam here. So I love working with pine. And you know, pine is not specific to Christmas. If you think about it, pine trees stay green all year round. It's one of those things that I think we forget about sometimes. We traditionally think about it, using it for Christmas items, but truly, it can be used all year round. That's what I love about it. Oh, I forgot. All right, so remember I added the spray foam a while back, so it's nice and firm and hard and this is actually one of my best sellers. I buy these from Factory Direct Outlet, and I keep them stocked in my little storage area where my supplies are at, because these make great indoor wall decors. And people love them. They're one of my best sellers on Etsy. That and like farmhouse style wreaths. But that's my niche, y'all. That's my niche. Let me turn this around so you guys can kind of see where I'm going with this. So you see how I'm kind of staggering all of that in there? So I filled in the outer edge, and now I'm kind of filling up here. see where I'm at here? So I've added that filler greenery, the pine. I added a snowflake. I took my berry and put it into 2 pieces, so it kind of filled up more space. Now, we're gonna add, all right, so now we're gonna add that open space right there. That's where a bow is gonna go. So let me see if we can, actually this will go better on a spool. If I run out of my favorite ribbon, oh, who am I kidding? I know where I can get more. Never mind. Well, all right, let's see what this little feller is going to look like. I truly. Okay, let's add this guy. Let me put a little glue on there. Clearly, I must have dropped something in my glue. It's a foreign object. Okay, I'm liking where this is going. I just could not visualize it. OMG, I am so pleased with the way that turned out. Okay, so this is one end of it. How about that? So we're going to do something very similar up in the other corner. And we're going to start with another pine. Okay, so we're going to do something similar the opposite direction. We're going to start by adding some greenery here. And remember, this is the top. Oops, let me bring this back down for you. So this is the top. So you want to think about it from a customer's perspective. What does the view look like? So you want to make sure it has a good view. If it's hanging on the wall and you're looking up, and of course I love working with the different variegated greenery. Okay. Oh yeah, I like that. All right, before I add anything else, we're gonna add another bow and see how much space it takes up. And then we'll fill in around that. Oh my gosh, this ribbon is just amazing. This is what it's like living with a musician. You get to hear the same song over and over and over and over again. I knew I was getting close to the end of that roll. Let me add a little glue to this. And just a couple more pieces of filler, I think, and I think we will be able to reveal the final design. Y'all, it's time to clean this glue pot out. All right, I lied. I think one more piece of filler on this side. Seeing a little white. Oh, shucks. Hang on, that had gold in it, not silver. That will not work. Silver or snowflake, no gold. Quickly remove it before the glue dries so you're not poke a big hole. There we go. That's better. All right, what's it look like from your end? Because I can't see it yet. So this is where I check, and I'm looking at it from all angles, right? Do I need any more filler anywhere? Actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna put one small piece up here. Not that anybody is gonna be, you know, looking at the very top of it, but I'll know. I want it to look good from every angle, right? Okay, let's zoom out, y'all. Easy to make, y'all. Let your creativity, your imagination go wild. I'll have to dig up some of the other pictures of frames that I've made because they're super fun to make and they're different. That's why I feel like they're good sellers, is because they're unique. And again, it's an indoor item. Think about your doctor's offices, the foyers, things like that, the kitchens or the dining areas. Very, very festive for, I can't really hang it because it has two, but yeah. All right, y'all. You have a great night and see you soon.